Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to switch accounts in Pokemon TCG Pocket without risking your progress. Let's dive right in. Now, you may have seen videos online suggesting that you select the Delete Save Data option. Don't do that. Doing so will erase all your game progress permanently, and there's no way to recover it. Instead, I'll share two safer and easier methods to switch accounts. Method 1, Clearing App Data. Start by opening the Settings menu on your device. From there, go to Apps or App Management. This may vary depending on your phone model. Find the Pokemon TCG Pocket app and tap on it. Next, go to Storage and select Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your saved progress elsewhere. When you reopen the app, you'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. Method 2, Reinstalling the app. Another way to switch accounts is by uninstalling the app entirely. Don't worry, your saved data won't be deleted if it's linked to an external account like Google or Pokemon Trainer Club. Once uninstalled, reinstall the app from the Play Store. After installation, launch the app, and you'll have the option to sign in with a different account or create a new one. And that's it. These two methods will help you safely change accounts without losing your progress. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.